Join me as I take on the challenge to boost my online presence and see if I can really increase my conversions. Having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses today. It's not just about having a website, it's about being visible, engaging and attractive to potential customers. A solid online presence can significantly boost conversions, driving growth and revenue for your business. Many businesses struggle with increasing their online visibility. One major hurdle is understanding their target audience. Without knowing who you're trying to reach, it's hard to create content that resonates. Another challenge is creating engaging content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. With so much information available, it's tough to get your message heard. Quality over quantity often gets overlooked. Focusing on short-term gains rather than long-term strategies can hinder progress. The constantly evolving digital landscape means that what's working today may not work tomorrow, making it essential to stay adaptable. Social media engagement is a powerful tool for improving online presence. By actively participating in conversations related to your industry, you can increase visibility and build relationships with potential customers. SEO or search engine optimization is another critical strategy. By optimizing your website and content for search engines, you can improve your rankings and drive more organic traffic to your site. Content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Email marketing allows you to connect directly with customers and nurture leads. Utilizing analytics tools help you track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Engaging with your audience through comments and messages can foster a loyal community around your brand. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or social media ads, can also be effective in reaching a wider audience. By leveraging these strategies, you can significantly enhance your online presence. The key to transforming your online presence is to focus on providing value to your audience. This means shifting your mindset from being self-promotional to being helpful and informative. By doing so, you can build trust with your audience and establish your brand as an authority in your industry. This approach requires a deep understanding of your audience's needs and pain points. It also involves being consistent in your messaging and content. Over time, this strategy can lead to increased engagement, loyalty, and ultimately conversions. By making this shift, you can create a loyal following that advocates your brand. Your audience will appreciate your valuable insights and helpful advice, leading to long-term success. Focus on value. It helps to differentiate you from your competitors who may also be more focused on self-promotion. To sum it up, boosting your online presence is essential for increasing conversions and driving business growth. By understanding your audiences, creating engaging content, and leveraging effective strategies like social media engagement, SEO, and content marketing, you can improve your visibility and attract more customers. Don't forget, transforming your online presence requires a focus on providing value to your audience. If you've had success boosting your online presence or have questions about where to start, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in more content like this, check out our other videos on growing your online business. If you'd like to talk to me, that's Alan, about anything you've seen or heard in this video, don't hesitate to call me on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. Or the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusonlineai.com. Cheers for now.